Wanna make way, make way. Just finished reacting to Soyoung's rendition of Moana, How Far I'll Go, and now we'll be reacting to another Disney song cover of Soyoung entitled Let It Go, Let It Go, Let It Go, Let It Go. And I don't know if this is a Korean version or English version, but I am so excited about it, and without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
The snow glows white on the mountain line, out of Brooklyn to the sea. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I'm to ride. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Still don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. The fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No rock, no rope, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. My power flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling and frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. And it rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Won't ever bother me anyway.
Yes, you heard it right. It's Let It Go by Soyoung. This movie is so nice, and my daughter loves this movie so much. She actually watched this the animated version of Let It Go a million times. As in every night, she always watch this video, and she reenact, and she thinks that she's Elsa and all that stuff. And anyways, regarding with the singing, great, wonderful, perfect. The high notes, nice. And at the beginning, I don't know what happened, but I kinda don't like it. But in the middle of the ending, very good. Soyoung is so undeniably talented, and a Disney song. My God, she sang a Disney song. Perfect, and I love it. Anyways, guys, if you have any more reaction about, I mean, if you have any requests of what video you want me to react, just comment down below. And if you like this video, click the like button, and if you are not yet part of the family, click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.